So today I'm going to be working on the 1984 Toyota Corolla. I've been noticing some rubbing issues as I'm driving down the road or I make a sharp left or right turn, taking some damage to the tires you can see here. Let's see what we can do. So because the car's been rubbing a lot, I am guessing that it has been rubbing on this lip here and also on this lip here. So today I actually want to go ahead and cut this into sections and pound it out of the way so that I can get better wheel angle, maybe fit some bigger wheels in there later on. I don't know, but I need to get it out of the way. Also, maybe take a hammer to these areas where the wheel's been rubbing. Now that you're done cutting them into about roughly a 1-inch section, a little bit more is okay. We just need to cut it to relieve any pressure so that it doesn't fold all weird when you start bashing it in. But this will give you more clearance for drifting, for when you want to lock the steering, or even if you want to put bigger rims or tires on it. So let's just fold it down. And while you're hitting it, just make sure that everything is staying as flat as you can possibly make it, so that you get that extra space that you're looking for. And sometimes if you really want to, you can always cut them off completely before you bend them. I didn't choose to do that just because it would take more time, and I've always done it this way and I've never had an issue with doing it this way. So yeah, this is my preferred method. Just make sure everything is as flat as you can get it. And then of course, because we did have to cut into it, it doesn't hurt to get some paint in there just to make sure the bare metal doesn't rust up. I mean, eventually I'm going to take this whole thing apart and redo all the primer and the paint, since it does have a lot of rust spots around. But for now, this will just keep the rust away. So we're doing the same thing. We're going to be cutting this into 1-inch sections, plus or minus, just enough to where you can, it won't be so hard to hit it with the hammer and bend it over. And we're going from this corner here all the way to the top. So let's get going. So now that we have our cuts, now we're ready to bash them in. Okay, so again, once you finish cutting it, since there is some bare metal, just go ahead and spray it down with some, I have some flat black indoor-outdoor paint and primer, just so to make a quick spray down. Yeah, man. And there you have it. Later on, I will be, like I said, I'm gonna tear this car apart and I'm gonna fix all that rust and all the other little things that have been bugging the crap out of me. But yeah, hopefully that'll stop the rubbing noises that I hear on the road.